Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan. Let's begin by laying down the fundamental structure. We'll use simple geometric shapes to capture the car's aggressive, low-slung profile. Pay close attention to the wide body and sharp, angular lines that define its iconic look. Remember to sketch lightly at first, allowing for easy adjustments as you refine your drawing. This initial step is crucial for a strong foundation. Now, let's move on to refining the body lines and adding those crucial details. Carefully sculpt the sleek, aerodynamic curves and sharp creases that give the Huracan its unique character. Don't forget the signature Y-shaped lighting elements, both front and rear, which are key identifiers. Then, focus on the wheels, ensuring they look powerful and proportionate with their intricate spoke designs and low-profile tires. Precision here makes a big difference. With the main structure and details in place, it's time to bring your Huracan to life with depth and shading. Start by applying shadows to emphasize the car's three-dimensional form and its aggressive lines. Vary your line weights, using darker lines for edges closer to the viewer and lighter ones for receding surfaces. Finally, incorporate reflections and cast shadows to ground the car and give it a truly realistic, polished appearance. This step adds significant impact. For our final slide, let's add those finishing touches that elevate your drawing from good to great. Take a moment to step back and review your work, identifying any areas that might need a bit more refinement or correction. Pay close attention to the smaller details, such as the intricate vents, grills, and the iconic Lamborghini badge, ensuring they are crisp and accurate. These subtle additions truly complete the masterpiece. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.